Guy on the left thinks that traffic rules don't really apply to him, so he decided to give us a little performance. Ooh, what a tough guy.
On camera, buggy!
What an appropriate reaction for a guy who did something wrong. And I don't know from where... Oh, he's not done yet with whatever he was trying to do. But if you have a dash cam, just let him do it and enjoy the show, because most of these are just bark no bite anyways. Look at this one, for example. Why is this toddler getting upset? Bro, first of all, you're in the wrong. Second of all, nobody will take you seriously in that outfit. Oh, I think I touched the nerve. Ooh. I doubt your parents are gonna be too happy when they find out you escaped from the kindergarten. And on top of that, he doesn't even have a helmet. Oh, we all love those left lane campers. I don't know what's the deal with those kind of people, actually. They just like to waste your time, I don't know.
I'll show you. You wanna play next with me?
And I have a feeling this guy's about to find out that not all of the people will ignore you.
You wanna mess with me? Come on.
Oh, it's game on now. Thread a needle, thread a needle. I bet he doesn't like it now. He got a taste of his own medicine. And of course, it's always the best solution to just move on with your life and ignore them basically, but sometimes that's not possible. Here, for example, what was that? It's okay to get a little bit mad in traffic, but bro, this is too much. And actually, I recently had a little encounter with one of these people. The guy was doing 45 in an 80 zone, we are talking kilometers, and when I flashed my lights for him to speed up a bit, he completely lost his mind. He got triggered so much, but nothing came out of it. It was not a big deal. But on the other hand, for this guy it is a big deal. And just he was arrested, so instant karma was served. Oh, just let it go, man. This is ridiculous. This is why in these situations it's always the best just to let the cops deal with him. He's not worth it. And here we have a slightly angry pickup driver. These guys are having too much fun. And after that ankle breaker, he's definitely not giving up. He's on their tail once again. And the history repeats. I don't know what happened before, but they did him dirty twice there. Let's see what is going on here. Ooh, that's a lot of damage. Come on, man, do something. You can't just let him disrespect you like that. He's now patiently waiting for his moment to shine. There we go. That's a miss. But it's a fair play, fair game. They only use Somebody's honking like he's getting paid for it. Oh, hello there. Come on, we are waiting for you to do something. Oh, you finally decided to come out after 2 business days. And he's going back. He wants to rage, but he doesn't know how. He thinks he's in a James Bond movie.
There's a stop sign. Sorry, I didn't see it. Alright, can you go?
In case you didn't know, there was a stop sign. He was so dramatic only to say there was a stop sign. How disappointing it. Oh, I see, the weapon of choice is once again a bottle of water. And I don't know how that white SUV is gonna recover from that. There he goes once again. Look, he doesn't know what to do. He just gave up. Oh, now you got his attention. We can cut each other off, we can do whatever, but flashing your lights is where we draw the line. I don't know why they always get triggered by that. Nobody's gonna just randomly flash the lights at you. There is always a reason for it. But let me know, have you ever encountered one of these in Wilds before? And if you did, feel free to let us know in the comments. Whoa, 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 whoa! Is that guy even allowed to do that? That guy on a bike? And now I have a feeling we're gonna play the game of Mirror Whack. Yep, there we go. Oh, I'm terribly sorry for you coming into my lane. I always hate it when it happens. When you're peacefully driving into an oncoming traffic and someone blocks your way. It's inconvenient. The dingleberry. Now, this genius right here is gonna pull the 900 IQ play. Stupidity is off the charts here. Doing this to I don't even know how many tons truck is pure stupidity. And the truck driver, of course, has every right to be mad at him. Goes the minivan of doom, showing us the level of driving skill only a minivan driver can achieve.
And that's my concern.
He messed around and he found out. Simple as that. Now he's gonna stare at you for uncomfortable amount of time just to establish the dominance. Because he can, he's in a Mercedes. And also it's funny how sometimes people like to make things bigger than they are. Sometimes it doesn't matter who's wrong and right. It was not a biggie. Just move on.
Some people from high school. And
oh no, Mr. I bought my license has arrived.
doing?
And of course, he's the one that's mad now.
What are you doing?
It's ridiculous.
You pulled out! Oh my god, I'm not dealing with it.
Good idea, buddy. Just move on. He's not worth it. That was not very polite of you. And here we go again. Here we go again. You forced your way in, and now the dashcam guy is at fault, of course. Of course. Take that. He fully deserved it. How dare he? Unbelievable. Maybe here we're gonna see some instant karma in action. We'll see. Whoa! What was that? Why would anybody stop in the middle of the road like that? I expect everything from them, but this is kinda strange. But we're gonna move on anyways. Oh, that's a Subaru, who is upset with something. I don't know what it is, but he is. Uh-oh, he's getting out. To probably do absolutely nothing. So there's no need to do stuff like this. Just let it go, because even if the guy was at fault for something, you still can't do anything about it. If he's a dingleberry, he will be that for the rest of his life probably. So why even bother with him? If there's no damage or something like that, you're good to go. Oh, here we go again. You squeezed your way through, you forced your way through, and now of course you're the one that's angry. Go get him, big guy. This is actually amusing. Dash cams are the best, I'll tell you that, because they're providing us with these golden moments. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's very special episode, and if you want to see more of these, of course, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to power every day. That's it for today. Don't forget to, I wanted to say that once again, but never mind. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Ciao, ciao.